Yes. Domain by ID looks like in Skysenders. Once we visit, we see the domain name, the server which it has been hosted. Each server has its own region where all the mailboxes are hosted. The forwarding domain, one can update the forwarding domain from here. One can change the custom tracking URL. You can see the activity log. What's happened with my domains. You know, I purchased this domain, and all these domains were automatically pushed to my favorite integration. If I want to push it again, or push to any other cold email platform, it's very easy. You can push mailboxes, and it will push. Then comes export as CSV. One can export and import it to their favorite cold email platform. The next thing is the overview of how many emails were sent, received, bounced, along with performance metrics, which is very useful to validate how your campaign is going. Which where we show delivery rate, the number of the percentage, right? 90, so here 95 percentage chances that the email will land in inbox. The email engagement, every day how many emails were sent, received, and bounced, and mailbox was added in this domain. Once we click on add mailbox, we can add mailboxes to this domain. Right now, 10 is added. We have a limit where one can add 10 mailboxes max. And I don't know. Then comes system status. What system status is? Each domain gets its own dedicated server. Now, if it's a server, there's a CPU, and we can track how our server is doing live. Right now, this is how my server has occupied. We have detailed description of what overall CPU usage is, what the system CPU usage is. These metrics are very important. If you think your server is, if you think what is not going to you can check it live from here. These are live from the server, and the usage breakdown. One can see the memory. Right now we provide 4 gigabytes, and then out of 4 gigabytes, uh, right, 1.1.5 GB is right now is this 1 month old domain which we got recently. And then comes network data sent and received, and then the network connectivities. If this is how the network connected, it means your server is doing good. There's no errors. So yeah, that's how domain by ID looks like with SkyService.